What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy Brizzy, man. Fuck. And I'm back with another 2024 ZX-6R video. It is a beautiful day in November. We're sitting at about 45 degrees. And man, we on a bike in November. Can I say that we thought this would happen? I can't say I thought this would happen. Am I happy about this? I'm so very happy about this. Ride a little bit, and I got some news. I'll tell you after this turn. So my channel was monetized before I started making these videos, right? And then I lost my monetization, and then I had to re-earn it essentially, right? I had to re-earn it essentially. So I re-earned it, and now my videos are monetized. So I haven't been uploading, dealing with figuring out how to get the channel remonetized. So we're good now. We're good now. So I can actually upload these videos and be rewarded for it. So you'll see some videos coming in crazy. So make sure you drop a like if you're new. Make sure you drop a like on the video. So if you're new to the channel, join the Noti gang. Love my Noti gang. Be here for all the videos. But we got a November ride. It's a little chilly, but man, it's beautiful out. It's beautiful out. Truly. Maybe closer to 2. But man, it feels fucking good to get out and ride. Holy shit. Twilight hours, baby. God damn, it feels good to get out. It feels so good to get out and ride. Feels great to get out here and ride, man. But what's everybody been on? How's everybody been feeling? What's new? Drop it down below. Man, we got monetized. We're gonna be bringing content. I want to bring 3 videos a week, even throughout the whole, like, I think 3 videos a week is something I can commit to. The next few days should be really nice. Just be able to film a bunch of videos. So we're gonna go crazy. We're gonna go crazy. But yeah, we got the monetization back, so I'm hyped about that. You're gonna see some content coming out. You're gonna see shorts, you're gonna see all that shit. We're growing still pretty good. I think we're sitting at like 10.3K, so we're up like 400 or 500 subs since the last time I've uploaded. Man, it's all coming together. I'm glad that we were able to figure out our ad problem, and should be looking up from here. Of course, we get it together at the end of the riding season, but it is what it is. 4,000 watch hours doesn't just come on its own, you know. Let's go get some gas. Mike's still hot. Try to stop and get some gas real quick. Best part about getting gas on a bike is you don't even got to get off. You just sit down, pump your gas up, be great.
On my way, really, but that's your face, you feel me? About cold in a bitch in the mud. About cold in a bitch, you know what I'm saying? You hurt me, but it feels great. You know, tomorrow's supposed to be about 57, so I'll be alright tomorrow too.
sucks in uphills, bro, because like when you get to the arch, it slows you down naturally. Back on the bike. It's good to just, you know, be back out here making videos. I need to get back to editing, and it's good to be monetized again, so nothing but good things are coming. So, but it's your boy Brizzy. Till next time, I'm out of here, man. I might have one more pull after this. We'll see if I put it in or not. We'll see what happens.